Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to schedule tweets on Twitter. So here I'm logged into my Twitter account. Click on the tweet button, and in this dialog box, you'll see these buttons down below. Click on the schedule button, and here you can schedule the date and time. I'll drop down the date and choose 27th, like so. And I'll do the same for the time. And click confirm. As you can see, this tweet is scheduled to be automatically posted on Monday, July 27, 2020 at 7:31 a.m. So I'll copy and paste the text of the tweet and then click on the image button, choose an image, click open, and here's the image, and finally click schedule. You'll get a confirmation. Now, if you click on the tweet button again, and then click this link for unsent tweets, it'll display any scheduled tweets in the schedule tab. And here's the tweet that was automatically posted on my Twitter timeline. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you are on Twitter, feel free to connect with me. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.